actually. Before we go home, we're gonna head north to Tuscany to visit our family. So we're just trying to get out of the airport now and make it up north. It was a delayed flight. There was a storm over the Atlantic, so our flight was delayed by 2 hours. So I'm gonna make sure I get on the right exit here. Kind of looks right. Just crossed. So tonight we'll be staying in Tuscany, and then tomorrow we'll be driving home. Because I didn't get a whole lot of sleep on the plane and I have like a 3.5 hour drive here to go, I'm going to make a quick stop for an espresso, maybe a cornetto. We're pretty busy today. The handicap. Wow. Maybe I'll just keep going to the next one. Huh?
There is one there, but that guy was parked.
So I didn't get to make that stop I wanted to. It was so crowded, there was no parking. And every time it looked like somebody was going to leave, they just hung outside their car smoking. So I'm fine. I'm going to drive a little bit more. We have about a little less than 3 hours to go. I'm on cruise control right now, so it makes it a little easier. Take advantage of cruise control if you're driving those long distances, anywhere for that matter. I also wanted to point out the chargers. Always bring different chargers and mounting devices, because I didn't know if I was going to have to mount my phone. I didn't know what kind of charger we needed. I was happy it had what is that, Apple AirPlay. So that made things a lot better. I can do it wirelessly as well, but I needed to charge my phone. Can't beat the tradition of Cafe del Nonno. So after a long flight, you can tell I'm tired, we made it to Colle di Vadessa in Tuscany, and we're staying at the San Lorenzo Hotel and Spa. I think this might be a junior suite. It's actually really nice. So let's just take a look around. Some nice artwork. TV on the wall. So it's like a foyer. I know everyone's always concerned about the bathroom, but beautiful bathroom. Nice view of the countryside. And the entrance to the old part of the city. have actually seen some apartments for sale on this street here. Let's go take a look at the bedroom. It's a nice size room. A TV in the bedroom. Very modern. And with the beautiful view. And we unfortunately are just here for the night because we came into town to see our house, but we'll always have to stop by and see the family who are all within the area. Tonight we have a dinner planned. We're staying on the second floor. There's also a grand stairway here. Say hi, babe. Let's take a look. Really nice, these old towns, these buildings. They really did them nice. Updated them quite well. Let me turn this around so you can see. This is a room for breakfast. We'll be in here tomorrow. But take a look at this. Used to be a courtyard here. And it's now a covered area. That's really cool. See? No. This is really interesting too. In this dining room where they preserve the ancient history. Beautiful. The pool is out here. It is an infinity pool. This right here is an olive tree in the garden. The pool overflows to a fountain. Obviously setting up for dinner outside tonight because the weather's really nice. Let's go take a look at the pool. Wonderful place. Again, wish we had more time here, but we're here for family tonight, so that'll be great. This pool is really nice. It's kind of an infinity pool, but it flows down into a lower level pool here where you can just hang out. And then the water goes underneath there and comes out the other side into the fountain right down below there. And you can see the old city. Just goes all down the street, all the way down to another tower right down there. If you can see or hear me, but we are leaving our hotel to go see our family at one of their houses. It's actually part of an old monastery, San Antonio, so it's a few minutes away. Sorry it's dark, you won't see a whole lot on the drive, but if I see something interesting along the way, I'll be happy to bring it up. Took the parking pass out of the window?
Yeah.
I figured. Okay. So now I have to go back to good old Google Maps.
Porta.
Beautiful, beautiful. Restaurant. Oh, over there. Okay, now there was a little construction here earlier. Pharmacy is pretty busy. So I think if we need to park later, we go in there.
That's true.
Saturday night, so things are picking up. Cole di Valdesa. This curve on the hill is down to one lane, so they have a red light going on. So it looks free to go, but if you do, you'll come head on with a bunch of cars. As hopefully you'll see in a second.
It was the same last year, no?
Yeah. I don't know if it's a new thing they're fixing, or they're fixing it again, or they haven't fixed it from last year. There's the next group of cars waiting. So after a long and arduous day of travel and a wonderful celebration with our family, we decided to sleep in and enjoy the amenities of the spa the very next morning. After a refreshing start to the new day and before our long journey home, we went for a quick walk around town and even made a stop at the world famous Mario Baroni's pastry shop for some sweets. Afterwards, we had a quick lunch with my cousin, then we hit the road back to Roccaspinalveti. We just spent a good time with our family in Tuscany. Our plan was to leave this morning, and as always, we leave a little late and we stayed for lunch, and we didn't get on the road till 3 p.m. so we're not going to make it back home in a Abruzzo till after dark. Plus, we're going to make some stops along the way, do a little shopping before we get home. So we'll see where the road takes us.